Okay, hello everyone. So as the title of this video suggests, today I have sold some spot Ethereum for the first time since 2018. Now, do I think a much larger correction is coming up for Ethereum? Or could we just see some sideways consolidation, which could lead us eventually to higher prices in the not so distant future? I'm going to be going over that on this video, and will also explain why I have chosen Link as the altcoin which I have moved some of this profit into, and where I am looking to take that trade. So yeah, Ethereum, what a weekend, what a few days and few weeks it's had. Yeah, after everyone just a couple of weeks ago was getting so bearish on Ethereum, we were there. We knew where we wanted this to go. We knew the targets. We knew where our targets were, and yeah, it has just played out so nicely. So the first thing is on Ethereum, and this is the major level for me, is this monthly level from back here in April 2018. Now this really is the last horizontal time frame resistance that we have up until we're looking at another kind of 30% move higher here, which I just don't think at this stage is that likely. So that is one massive area for me, and this is the level that I have been taking profit, closing out of my leveraged positions, and looking to sell a little bit of my spot Ethereum holdings here. On top of that, we do have this weekly order block. So as we can see, again, back in 2018, when we did have this move down, for a number of weeks, we did have this sideways consolidation period before breaking lower. And this is the first time we have come back into this area to test that. Okay, and on top of this, we have, let me just change that. We do have our golden pocket area just above. So if price was, and this is on the Bitcoin pair, if it was just to poke its head above here and get to say, yeah, within this area, then again, that is just another level of confluence that we have within this area. So yeah, let's just have a quick look on the lower time frames. So we can see how we've come up here, and we can see now how it's just trying to hold above this monthly level. So we have had this move down, and yeah, we're just seeing if it can hold this monthly level at the moment. For now, this is just a let's wait and see. I've done what I wanted to do on this trade, so I am now out of any leverage position on Ethereum, and I have sold spot. I've sold a lot of my profit within this area. I'm not looking to take any shorts on Ethereum. I might do kind of if we do start to change market structure, or yeah, I might just hedge again with the remaining spot position that I am holding. I may hedge with a short position in case this does go lower. I've not really yet decided upon that. So yeah, that is the resistance that we are at now. I'd expect this to just probably hang around here for a while before it gets any serious move up or down from this level. There is going to be some consolidation here before we can look for either market structure to break or for this to continue higher. Ultimately though, I do think, and this could coincide quite nicely with Bitcoin being at a really important level here as well. So Bitcoin has hit a big resistance, which if you've seen any of my recent videos, you'll know kind of what those levels are. And yeah, I think either Bitcoin is going to start to steal the show again and move higher into all-time highs, or if Bitcoin does have another corrective move itself, we could see, a lot of the altcoins kind of having those retracements over the next few weeks. So really, I do see this monthly again now as being major support, just as that's kind of what Ethereum has been doing for most of the last few years, really, is just stepping up and coming back into support over time. So yeah, I think the most likely option here, if this does get the rejection, and I think it probably will, is we're looking at a 25% move to the downside, 23.5% there percent move to the downside before we can really start to look at taking long positions again. We could even extend that at this point down here. Yeah, but a move down would be very nice. Who knows if we'll get it? We'll just have to wait and see. So that's now my thinking, is that down is at this stage more likely than up on Ethereum. But yeah, we will just have to see what happens with that. Okay, so if we go on to the US dollar chart, you can see again we've like blue sky breakout. There's not really a lot that we can do apart from fib levels, and this is incredibly messy. I've not really cleaned up this chart for a long time. We are through some major resistance that we did have over the last couple of weeks. That has moved through there, and this was giving us confluence within the 3000 region to be a major resistance area. Now, what you often see, especially on a US dollar chart, is that Bitcoin's doing a lot of the work for Ethereum on this. So it's not unusual for it to come through to really get everyone bullish again, and then for it to come back down and then lose these levels afterwards. So yeah, we'll just have to wait and see what happens with that. We do have higher targets. There's a major 2618 fib extension here from its low of the 2016 to 2017 cycle up to its previous all-time high, back down to its low here in December 2018. There is a 2.618 extension here, and we do have the we do have the 2.272 extension here, and we do have the expansion of our previous all-time high to the low of the bear market, coming in at 3,580-ish. So yeah, there are levels to the upside to be aware of, but really for me, it's this Bitcoin chart that is leading this market, and that is what we have to be most aware of. So yeah, I think that kind of covers it on Ethereum. I will have a look at Bitcoin as well. So with Bitcoin, we did come in to let me add some levels back onto this chart because I deleted those. So we did come back into that, which is now our monthly level. I've been away over the weekend, so we did come into this monthly level, and yeah, we had the weird move down on Bybit earlier on today. What this also is up here is if we do take a fixed range here, we did hit our point of control. That's actually moved again, so over the weekend a few of these levels have moved, but these are all levels that I did have as confluence. There we go. Here is our point of control of this range. So yeah, we have hit that area, and that was where I was looking for shorts. And yeah, again, we will just have to see what happens here. So either way, this is a massive area for Bitcoin now, like really, really massively important. If Bitcoin can get above here, so if Bitcoin can reclaim and get above here, then I do think we'll be going up to all-time highs. And in that case, then a lot of Bitcoin pairs are going to get wrecked. So yeah, Bitcoin will take back a lot of the dominance again if it can reclaim this. But on the other hand as well, the other option is we do see a deep retrace to our next areas of support, which again I'll be going over tomorrow in the normal Bitcoin morning update videos. I've not updated this chart for a while, so yeah, where these levels are, I'll have to just have another look at those and update everyone again tomorrow. So yeah, Ethereum at some point within the next few days has a big decision to make. Are we going to be looking again at all-time highs, or are we looking at a much deeper retrace? Either way, I think Bitcoin starts to reclaim some dominance here, which goes quite nicely with this Ethereum move, which will likely see a rejection from this area that we are in right now, and possibly even a move back down to these lower targets that we do have. Cool. So I think that covers Ethereum. I'm going to very quickly go over why I have chosen Litecoin as the alt that I've put some profit into today. We've already had quite a nice move. So as I was selling my Ethereum, I was noticing that we did have this reclaim of this monthly level on Link. Did I say Link or Litecoin a minute ago? I can't even remember. Yeah, I'm just going to continue whatever I was talking about. So yes, on Link, whatever I said a minute ago, I don't know. Yeah, we do have this reclaim of this monthly level on Link, and I am now looking for higher prices on this. And again, it just looks really nice here. So we had this long consolidation really for about 6 months now. We've broken out of it. We have had a consolidation afterwards. And yeah, we're now looking again for much higher prices on Link. I am going to be doing a dedicated video on this tomorrow. I am also going to be going over the US dollar chart on Link, and yeah, just explaining what immediate resistance, so we are at resistance right now, but where we could see this going again in the not so distant future. So yeah, do watch out for that video on Link tomorrow, hopefully, and I'll go over this in a little bit more detail. But yeah, I think that kind of covers everything that I wanted to go over today. Again, I've been away over the weekend. I've only just got back to the charts, so please do excuse my messy charts. I just thought I'd do a quick update here because yeah, we have hit the area that we wanted it to hit, and well, we just have to see what happens now, I guess. Cool. So yeah, thanks everyone for watching, and I will see you all in the chat, and I'll see you on the next video. Cheers.